Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole Huesman and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to be taking you through another luxury handbag unboxing and I am so excited. I can't wait to just dive right in. But before we do, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really helps me out as a small creator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is Mondays and Thursdays. So without further ado, let's get started. So I have with me the box. All I've done is open the outside cardboard box because there was a lot of tape. So it comes with this black wrapping paper and you lift it to reveal the Dolce Gabbana box. So taking this box out, it has a magnetic flap closure. Oh, and the box actually kind of comes forward. So there's like two magnets. Interesting. So we open it up. These are the receipts and return labels, and inside there is more of the black paper and the Dolce & Gabbana dust bag. In my last video, I think I was very overexcited about my Louis Vuitton Neverfull, and just so you know, I have every intent to be just as excitable in this video. So let's go. I have wanted this bag for so long. I've been saving for about a year. I've wanted this and I finally bit the bullet and decided to buy it. And I thought this was going to be my first designer purchase, but actually the Louis Vuitton came first, even though it was ordered second. So if you want to go and see that unboxing, I'll go ahead and link that below. But let's go on with this beautiful bag. So it is a cute bow on top, and we will open that. And this is the very first time I'm seeing this bag in person. I've only ever seen it online. Let's see if I can get it open. Oh my goodness. This color. This is so stunning. This is, oh my goodness. Wow, I am in awe. The bag is definitely smaller than I thought it would be, but it is so cute. It is so sturdy. It's got this very adorable like bar handle situation going on the top. And then it comes with some things covering the hardware to make sure they don't get damaged, and we'll open the flap. Ooh, okay, there is more wrapping paper inside. And then it comes with, ooh, this must be the crossbody strap. It comes in a Dolce & Gabbana little dust bag. And then in here, what is this? This looks like packing material in a dust bag, so I guess you keep that in the purse to keep its size. Ooh, the inside is this beautiful like cheetah print, which I knew to expect once I bought the bag, but I had never seen that in anyone else's video because I'd only ever seen them style the bag and I'd never seen the inside. So inside there are 3 pockets. There's one pocket on the side closest to the edge, and inside is just the tag, all right? Then there is a card pouch on the side closest to the flap, and opening this back pocket, let's see if there's anything in here. Ooh, okay. There is the care instructions, which I will keep. And then it also comes with the certification of authenticity. So I imagine there's some sort of mag strip or something that this card does. So I'm actually gonna keep this in the purse because I think that is important if I ever want to resell. And I'll go ahead and take the crossbody strap out of the dust bag so we can see it on the bag. Oh, it almost looks like a belt. So this is what the long handle looks like. I'm actually not going to put it on the bag because I plan to use this as a holding bag or a just on the crook of my arm bag. Oh my goodness, it is stunning. It is so pretty. This is definitely my favorite bag. Sorry, Louis Vuitton, I love ya, but this is the bag that I've just been eyeing for so long, and now I finally have it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really, really helps me out as a small creator. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Thursday. I hope you have a great day. Bye.